Good morning, it's Wick here from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. And I've got my little friend here in the kitchen this morning.
Hello.
Her name is Anna, and obviously we are on school holidays. What are we going to make today, Anna?
Today we are making Feijoa and Bran Muffins.
Yeah, yum. Beautiful, light and fluffy. Hi Jacinda, nice to have you here. Firstly, I just wanted to say, so awesome to have so many of you in my new group, which is called Healthy Eating Made Easy with Wick. It's all about, I just noticed that there's been a dramatic drop in the reach of my my posts and my recipes on my Wicked Wellbeing page, and it's a way that I can help you because I'm in the trenches with you. I've got 3 young kids. I know exactly how time poor you are, but I know also that you want to make healthy changes for yourselves and your family. So what I've done is created a new Facebook group. It's actually only been going for about 5 days. We've got nearly 300 members in there, which is really, really exciting. So if you want to come on over and join that, just search, and I'll put the link in here, Healthy Eating Made Easy with Wick, and you will find us there, and lots of goodness going on. Okay, so these are so super simple to make and great to freeze, so really good for the kids' lunch boxes. Anna's getting a little bit bored and keen to get I'm going. I'm aware that my head is cut off a little bit. Right, so what you do is mix the dry ingredients separately in one bowl, and then the wet ingredients in the other bowl. Hi Susan, nice to have you here. I'm going to try and just crouch down a little bit. So Anna, no, that's okay. So Anna, what are you putting in your wet ingredients?
For my wet ingredients, you are going to add 1 egg.
You can put it in there.
Yeah, 1 egg. 3/4 of a cup of milk.
And if you're dairy free, then definitely use a nut milk or a rice milk.
And then we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
So why do we put the baking soda into there, Anna?
We add the baking soda into the wet ingredients is because then it dissolves and the muffins won't be bitter.
Because sometimes you can try a muffin and it's got quite like some mouthfuls, yes, you can do that, and then some mouthfuls have got a little bitterness to it. So that's why we dissolve the baking soda in the milk, so then it doesn't have sometimes that nasty tang or bite. And then what are you going to add into there? Yes.
1 cup of chopped feijoas.
So in the dried ingredients, I have got 3/4 of a cup of spelt flour, and then we have got I'm going to do, because it's easier to get it out of this dish, one cup of bran. Now don't worry about this, the recipe is on my website wickedwellbeing.com, and head to recipes, healthy recipes, and it's all on there. So 1 cup of bran. We've got 1/4 of a cup of currants and 1/3 of a cup of coconut sugar. So that is your refined sugar free. Just remember that sugar is sugar, so it even though it's a healthier option, it stabilizes your blood sugar levels better, it still has got the same calorie count. And then in here, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So we'll chuck that in there. So then once those are all combined, we've got our wet ingredients. We're going to pour the wet into the dry. Anna's making a little well in the middle. And then you just stir that until that is evenly mixed. So then I've got the oven heating at 180 degrees Celsius, and then they cook for around 15 to 18 minutes, just until they're not soft in the middle. So you want to just check them, poke them with a skewer just to make sure that they're cooked. So my husband asked me for some Bran muffins like so long ago, and I just haven't got around to making them. So I said to him yesterday, honey, would you like some Bran and Feijoa? And he was like, absolutely. So we made a batch yesterday. They were beautiful.
Did you finish them?
No. No, they've gone into the cupboard and freezer. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Anna.
It smells nice.
They taste, Anna's my one who loves trying different things. Sometimes loves Feijoas, don't you? Loves Feijoas. So I'm just 3/4 filling these muffin trays.
Can I help?
Yes, you can help. Here you go, you can do that. So I am using these silicone trays because I find them easier to get the muffins out. But otherwise, yesterday I did do them in patty liners, but I found that they stuck. And I think that's the moistness of the bran. And so either spray the liners first, or you can, if you haven't got these silicone ones, then just use normal ones and you can just rub them with butter to stop them sticking. But you don't want to overfill them because with the baking powder they're going to rise. So we're going to put these in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. And
so
then
about
they
16 or 17 minutes.
Yeah, so depending on what your strength of your oven. So thank you. Don't forget, if you want to join us at over in my closed Facebook group, it's a lot more personalised. You're more likely to see my posts. Head on over to Healthy Eating Made Easy with Wick, and I will look forward to connecting with you there. Thank you very much for your help. Now I see there are a couple of questions, so I'm just going to pop up and answer those. So Susan says, do you have a gluten-free option? But we'll make these for the family. Okay, so Susan, for a gluten-free option, I haven't actually tried it, but I was thinking about it. I would use a quinoa flour and an almond flour. So I'd probably do a 3/4 of a cup of quinoa flour and a cup of almond flour. So yeah, give that a go. Have an awesome day, ladies, and talk to you soon.